I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up the conferring documents using a template. So if you start by opening your Google Drive, which should look something like this, it will say My Drive at the top. You will then click on Shared with Me, and in this Shared with Me file will be a folder that will say 1 conferring, 2 conferring, or 3 conferring, or your grade level. You'll find that folder, you will click the folder and drag it over to Drive. And I realize my folder says Move Media Library Specialists, but I don't have that in my Shared with Me since I created the file. But simply by clicking the file folder, dragging it over to Drive, and letting up on the mouse button, it will then put it in your Drive so that you can see that folder in your Drive. Now that you have the folder in your Drive, we're going to set your account up to use templates. So click Create, click Connect More Apps. It's going to open a window, and you are going to type in here template, press Enter, and there's going to be a app at the top that says Drive Template Gallery. Yours will say Connect, like this does. You click Connect, and then when you go back and click Create, you will see From Template as an option as a way of opening a Google document. Now we are ready to actually create the document for each student. Start by clicking Create, select From Template. It will open a second tab, which is the template gallery. Make sure that PhotoSage R1 is selected, so that'll narrow down your choices. You can either scroll down and see the conferring templates, or you can type conferring in the search box and it will show you the templates that I've set up for conferring. If I'm wanting to use this for first grade, I can click Use this template. It will open it in another window. The first thing to do is click the name of the file and rename that to the student's name, clicking OK. Then click this folder, which is going to move it to your conferring folder. So you will see 1 conferring, 2 conferring, or your grade level. Expand that folder, click on your name, and then click Move. When you click on this folder again, then it should have your name, and that will confirm that it is in your folder. The document has now been created for the student. You can start editing and adding text to this document. You type in the student name here, type in your name, so that when Missy and Elisa and Emily are looking at this, they can quickly refer to who the student is and which classroom they belong to. As you're typing in information, the cells will expand. So if it looks like there's not enough room, they will expand as you type. If you need additional rows, you can right-click the mouse and insert row below, and it will add a row. Or you can click in the last box and press Tab, and it will also add another row, and it will continue adding rows on additional pages as you need that. And since you only have one page per, or one document per student, you can take up as many pages as you need, and the cells will expand as you need them. It will also automatically save those, so you don't have to worry about saving. If you want to see what other people in your grade level are doing as far as they're conferring, or you need to refer to another student in your grade, you should have access to the other teachers in your grade. So by clicking on their folder, you would be able to see the files of their students as well.